Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys, so please do not manifest the energy of others. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. This is not for all Scorpios. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading about love, money, career, business, and studies. If it will not happen to you guys, the energy could be happen to the people around you. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex are in the community. For instance, your neighbors are in the society where you belong. So please use your own discernment. I know that you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac, especially if you are evolved. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, spirits of all animals, divine angels, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. About love, money, career, business, and studies, the past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. This is your reading during Christmas season. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. And I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all of you. Oh my gosh. Let me see your high energy, intense, and magnetic reading for today because you are intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful. Happy holidays. First, we have the Eight of Spades. This is a Sagittarius energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Sagittarius, not necessary, could also be any other sign. This is related to your leveling ups, promotion, troubles. This could also be a person who wants to send you a message. Could also that there are lots of people who wants to send you a message. Or this person wants to uplift you. For some of these people, guys, they wants to be the part of your ascension. Because this is your energy, you are ascended. Others of you guys, this could also be the past people who are coming against you. Number 8 is what goes around, come back around. I don't know what you have done on you. I couldn't specify because this is not your personal reading. Now that you're leveling up, this could also be related to travel. Somebody wants to travel towards on you, or you are the one to them. This is related to promotions at work as well, ascension. And I feel like there are lots of people who wants to send you a message. For some of these people, guys, they are the same people in the past who are collaborating against you. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8, 80, 88. This could be the day of your birthday, your age, the year of your birthday, or that person you are dealing with. And this person wants to travel towards on you or to send you a message. This person wants to tell you that he wants to uplift you. Others of you, you are already in this energy of leveling ups. And you don't need this person, especially if these are the past people. But somebody here wants to send you a message. Could also that this person wants to collaborate with your creativity, with your work. Or you are going to travel with your family or alone if you don't have family. Or somebody who wants to have a romantic vacation, holiday with you. Take only what fits in your story. Whatever they have done on you in the past, rest assured that they are now reaping what they sow. Number 8 is your abundance. A Scorpio is involved here. A Leo. or a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could also be the power of 8. Could also be that this person or group of people are coming against you a minimum of 8 years. 888 is your abundance, your transformation. Let me see. Your challenge here is the Page of Swords. All eyes on you. It could also that these are the people who are stalking on you, especially if you have platform in social media. For some of these people, guys, these are the past people who are collaborating against you because of jealousy and envy. Now, all they can do is to stalk on you through your platform, or they are stalking on you outside your home if you don't have platform in social media. It could also that somebody is strategizing, gathering some information about you because they want to talk with you. Either a new person or the past people. I told you, the same people who are now reaping what they sow. What goes around, come back around. Others of these people, guys, you cut them up out of your life. You are no longer entertaining them because you are tired and sick with their BS. All they can do is to stalk on you. Or this could also be a hacker in the net who is spying on you, gathering some information about you. This is like all eyes on you because there are people who are, they perceive you as interesting person, mysterious, and they are gathering some information. What is your next move? Especially if these are the people who messed you up in the past. Somebody here wants to talk with you. Could also that this person wants to travel towards on you, wants to send you a message, or they wants to level you up, or they wants to be the part of your leveling ups. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Sagittarius, a Scorpio, a Leo. There could be a significant meaning to you, the number 8, 80, 88, 81, 18, 80. Please pay attention. Could also that they wants to talk with you. They are strategizing. The universe advises you to be, to be as well strategic, especially if this person wants to talk with you. Because it might lead you to troubles or to a mental agility. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is the strength. A Leo is involved, the sun. Oh my gosh, why I said the strength. Okay, the strength or the sun. You could be dealing or attracting a Leo or a person who's in the public eye. Could also be any other sign. And somebody is awakened of who you are. They are feeling inspired by you. It could also be that they perceive you as a healer. You could also be a healer, a chosen one. And that's why your light is shining bright. In the past, they tried to throw you under the bus by all means. Because it could also be that they perceive you as a competitors. Somebody could also be in the spotlights or a group of people who is in the public eye. And they perceive that you are their competition. I told you, now they are awakened. Whatever they have done on you, I feel like it is already illuminated. There could be an exposure here of all the things hidden in the dark. The trickery, lies, and manipulation involves a child, children, pregnancy, surrogacy, partnership, and or a relationship. Or somebody is using a child to have an access on you, especially if this is your ex. Or this person wants you to be happy with them. They wants to have a child with you. And they're hoping that you are going to be playful to them. Could be a Leo or a person who's in the public eye. That's why somebody wants to talk with you. They're strategizing on how to approach you because they perceive you as defensive. You look, this could also be related to your leveling ups, troubles, promotion, or somebody who wants to help you to level ups. If you need help, if not, well, this is not your energy. And for some of you guys, I feel like this person in the past is involved in this mockery and now they are enlightened. In fact, they are feeling inspired by you. That's why they want to heal the old wounds between you and them. Others of you guys, this is related to your healing. The universe advises you to continue your healing journey. There could also be a child involved here, or you could be pregnant. You are going to give birth to a newborn child, congratulations. Or you are going to give birth to a newborn ideas. Again, congratulations. You choose to heal and to be happy, and that's why you are free of guilt and shame. This is like the vibrancy of summer come into your life. And this is your energy, and I love this card for you. Somebody who wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them, especially those people in the past who mess you up. They are now enlightened, they are now awakened. For some of these people, they are your haters, your frenemies, and they are also feeling inspired by you. That's why they want to harmonize, to make peace with you. This could also be a new person or your ex who betrayed you. With a one night stand, and there could be a child involved here. Take what resonates because everyone is different. A Leo, a person who's in the public eye. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Sagittarius is involved in this particular situation. Rest assured that whatever they have done on you, number 8 is what goes around come back around. I told you. Your light is shining bright. Protect your energy because there are people who couldn't stand your frequency. And you are advised here to prioritize your healing journey. To continue to spread lights to the world. You could be a chosen one or an earth angel, could also be a healer, and you are predestined to shine. There are only people who couldn't stand your aura, your frequency, because these are the people who refuse to face their dark shadows. And you could be the catalyst of their lives, and that's why you meet them, because you are the one who is going to awaken them. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The other past situation is the Hierophant. A Taurus, of course. Sagittarius is also involved here. A Taurus is involved here. Could also be a person who has an authority, or this could also be a group of religious organization. Could also be an elite group. Or somebody here question your faith and belief in the past. That's why they tried to hinder your work. I don't know what is the nature of your work. Or somebody engaged you to a practitioner, a tarot card reader in the past, because this is the past situation. Could also that somebody here, paid somebody else to lie on you. Could also that this practitioner is lying on you because somebody is paying them. Could also be a group of coven. And now everything exposed of what they have done on you. That's why somebody here wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Somebody have perceived you that you are the treat of their work, of their spotlights. Maybe you are dealing with a person or group of people who are in the spotlight, or you are the one. This is related to your faith. Your faith is stronger than their lies, than their illusion. I told you. And that's why they are being exposed, because you stand with the truth. Somebody's marriage here could also be over. There could also be a relationship here which is over, because somebody here is, betraying somebody else, or this could also be a false marriage. Somebody could also be wants to marry you. They wants you to be happy, to have a child with you, but there could be a problem here with, a religion, traditional value, beliefs. Take what resonates because everyone is different, or there could be a conflict here between traditional values, beliefs, or somebody who is paying somebody else to the coven and spreading lies and rumors about you, because this person doesn't want this group of people to approach you, to send you a message, or to marry you. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. They doesn't want you to reunite each other. Because they knew that when you are going to reunite each other, there could be a powerful reunion. I told you. Or somebody has investigating about your life through a practitioner or a tarot card reader, and the information was false. This could be a lie, and now they are being exposed. This could also be a group of people in the public eye. Could also be a coven is involved here. Now they're stalking on you because they have seen that you're leveling ups, and there are lots of promotion related to your work. Could also that there are jealous that you are traveling, that you are working, and that's why they did this to you in the past. I told you. Somebody is lying and spreading lies and rumors about you, and now they are being exposed. A coven is involved here. Or a practitioner could also that this person is a powerful person that but they use their power in the dark out of jealousy and envy because they are treating with your lights. I told you. Taurus, Leo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Sorry, I couldn't talk. Sagittarius. Not necessary. Could also be a person who is in the public eye. Number 8, 80, 88 is significant. Let's reading 81, 18 as well. Please pay attention. Or somebody is still committed to somebody else. There's still marriage and there is no finality of this divorce. And somebody who wants to tell you something. They wants to send you a message. They wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. That's why they wants to talk with you. Your challenge is communication. But they doesn't know how to approach you because they perceive you as defensive. Others of you guys are no longer entertaining them anymore because you are done. Let me see. The current situation is the King of Vessels. The King of Cups. This is your energy. You love yourself unconditionally. You are very intuitive. The universe advises you to always listen to your intuition. It could also let this person perceive you as their divine counterpart. Both of you having emotional intelligence. Could also be that you have both of you having the same experience and this person is willing to explore your deepest feelings. It could also that this is your ex who doesn't know you really now. They wants to explore your deepest feelings. They wants to tell you that they loves you deeply. It could also be a new person. You are the control of your own emotion. You matured emotionally. It's because of your painful experience in the past. You are unshakable. They couldn't manipulate you. They knew that as well, that you love yourself unconditionally. And they couldn't manipulate your feelings. Somebody here could also be having a deep feelings towards you. You matter to them. This person could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Not necessary. Could also be a matured father figure who have undergone through a lot of pain the same with you, and both of you having emotional intelligence and they perceive that you are the divine counterpart. Or somebody who needs your support, or you are the one to them. Or this person wants to support you, you matter to them. A matured father figure, a water sign, an air sign, a Leo, a fire sign, a Taurus, a Sagittarius is involved in the situation. Let me see. The future is, we have here the Knight of Staves. You are continuing what you have started, or the universe advises you to continue what you have started because it will lead you to, to your success. You could be a person who is ambitious, practical, and you are doing your work. This is, you do it slowly but surely. You don't want to get rushed because you believe that whatever meant for you will never pass you by, and you believe as well in the divine timing. You are doing your work slowly but surely. And somebody here could also that this person wants to marry you and he doesn't want you to work further because they have seen your struggles. I told you. This person loves you deeply. This could also be the past people who tried to stop your creativity, your work. And now, it could also be this matured father figure or this person who is, who loves you deeply. They told this person or group of people to stop mocking you because this person loves you and they're protecting you. I told you. An earth sign is involved or a person who has an authority who is protecting you because they are now awakened. They have seen the truth. They are now enlightened. You could be a healer, a chosen one, or an earth angel. And this person told to this coven or group of people to stop mocking you because this person loves you or they are protecting you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. They are now awakened, they are enlightened, and in fact, they are feeling inspired by you. An earth sign is involved here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Or somebody who wants to offer you a real deal, but this person is not a risk taker. They're going to offer you slowly but surely. This person loves you deeply. They perceive that you are the divine counterpart. I told you. That's why somebody is talking on you, strategizing how to approach you. I told you. Could also that this person is in the public eye or a person has an authority. The signs involved in this reading are, could be the one of them. I never see all. This is the future. Let me see. Your attitude here is the Queen of Vessels. I told you. There's could be your divine counterpart. The Queen of Vessels and the King of Vessels come out in this reading. Both of you having emotional intelligence, and that's why this could also be the reunion of powerful person. Both of you having the same experiences, and that's why you are the control of your own emotion. This person loves you deeply, and you are the one to them as well. But there could be a problem here because of religion, belief, traditional values. Oh my gosh. Or this person is now awakened because somebody in the past engaged you to an abracadabra practitioner and the practitioner lying about you. That's why this person didn't trouble you in the past, didn't approach you. Now they are strategizing on how to talk with you because they have seen the truth. They are awakened of who you are. This could also be the past life connection. This person perceive you that you are the divine counterpart. Take only what fits in your story. A matured mother figure is involved here. Let me see. The outside influence is the moon. A Pisces and a Cancer is involved here. There could be a secret is being exposed or somebody is scared that you knew their secret. There could be a vagueness in the situation or somebody is insecure because of your divine gift. This could also be the trickery, lies, and manipulation includes the black magic, witchcraft now being exposed. Could also that this person is a tarot card reader, a practitioner. This could also be the group of people, a coven who are lying on you because you are the threat of their spotlights. And now everyone is awakened of who you are. They are being exposed and somebody is scared because they perceive that you knew their secret. Of course, if you are an intuitive person, you knew it. It could also that this person is keeping secrets on you. Could also that their feelings and they couldn't tell you about their feelings because they are scared. Because they perceive that you knew their secret, that they are participating in the past with this coven, with this group of people who are mocking you down. I don't know what this is all about. Could also that this person is, perceive you that you are secretive when in fact it's not. You're just mysterious. Or this person is asking themselves why you knew their secret. That's why they are scared. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Cancer, Pisces is involved or a matured mother figure. Or the secret of this person is now exposed and they are scared. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the Knight of Vessels. I told you, somebody here wants to drink and dine with you. This person is feeling inspired by you. It could also this is your crush or your admirer. This person wants to meet with you could be during Scorpio season or spring season. This person could be a water sign, not necessary, could also be any other sign. This person will approach you slowly but surely. I told you. There could be two knights is going to approach you. But they will approach you slowly but surely. The other one is they wants to invest with you. And this person wants to offer you a cup of love or they wants to tell you about their feelings, that they're feeling inspired by you. It could also be your crush or your admirer. But this is a slow night. Both are slow nights. The other one is not a rest taker. You look the Knights of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. Could also that these are the same people. Your crush, your admirer, but they are scared because they are being exposed. Or they are scared because they perceive that you have a psychic abilities. Let me see the outcome here is, this is the King of Spades. The King of Wands. This person couldn't resist you. For some of you guys, this is your energy because you are very passionate and driven. This is the possession of a leader. You are a go-getter. You take good care of yourself, male or female. You bring your dreams into a reality and align with your passion. And you give hopes and inspiration to other people. And you could be a hot stuff in the community or in the society, and somebody who couldn't resist you. They're adoring and admiring you. Could be an Aries. Could also be any other sign. Could also that this is a matured father figure. Could also that this person loves you and adoring you as well. It's because of, you are very passionate and driven. Not only that, you take good care of yourself. You look so good, magnetic, attractive. And they knew that as well, that you love yourself unconditionally. When I say that a person is adoring you, this is not love. Or if this is the same person, it is good. They are adoring you, admiring you, and they loves you. The king of staves and the king of vessels. Or these are the two people. There could be lots of, love offer coming to you here. And an investment as well. Because lots of people are awakened of who you are. The lies of the coven, the people who are paying money about you, to lie on you, to stalk on you, they are now being exposed. The black magic, etc., are also being exposed. Remember, your first card is number 8. What goes around comes back around. And this is the outcome. But also, this is your feelings towards somebody else. Clarify me, Father. Why the Hierophant in this reading? Just tell me more about the Hierophant. It is clarified as das Leben ist ein Geschenk. Das Leben ist ein Geschenk. Life is a gift. You are advised to enjoy your life. If you have time to travel, go and travel. Pamper yourself because you're already leveling up. You have lots of success and promotion. Could also that this person wants to uplift you because this person realized that life is too short and life is a gift, and they wants to uplift you. They wants to support you now. In the past, they're not supporting you because of the lies and rumors spreaded with this coven, with this person, a group of people who are in the public eye. They realize now they are awakened. Remember, the sun is here. They are awakened that life is a gift. And somebody wants to travel towards you, to send you a message. They want to uplift you if you need them. Or they want to have a romantic vacation holiday with you because they realize that life is a gift. A Sagittarius, Aries, or Leo. Clarify me, Father. Could also be Taurus. Why the... Because this is the clarification of Hierophant. A fire sign or a Taurus is involved. There could also be any other sign. Why they are spying and stalking on you? Tell me more. This is your challenge. Spying and stalking on you. Why? Oh, why? Oh, why? It is clarified as Chalikite. Oh my gosh. Tenderness. Somebody is, that you are a person who is, there is a sense of tenderness on you, that you are nice, they are spying and stalking on you because they have seen you that you are a person who is loving, tender and kind, and that's why there are lots of people is stalking on you. They are strategizing on how to approach you, to communicate with you. This could also be a stalker in the net, or somebody is stalking on you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. They are awakened that you are a person who is tender, loving, and kind. I told you. That's why they wants to talk with you. A Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is involved. A person who was born on the 8th of the month, 80 years old, 88, or who was born in 1988, or you are the one. That's why they're stalking on you. Clarify me, Father. Why the... Oh my gosh. Why the sun in this reading? Please tell me more about the sun. It is clarified as kindness on Wendy. So, knowledge and will. This person realized they're awakened that you have will and you have also knowledge. They are awakened of who you are. They're enlightened. They're feeling inspired by you. A Leo is involved or a person who's in the public eye. And they are now exposed. Double confirmation. Because the sun and the moon is here. And now they are awakened of who you are. Because somebody's lies, trickery, and manipulation are being exposed. Now they are enlightened. They are also feeling inspired by you because of your knowledge and your will. You could be a person who is very knowledgeable and your passion is unmatched. And that's why there are lots of people who are feeling inspired by you. One of these person or group of people are in the public eye, or you are the one who awakened them. They are now enlightened of who you are. Clarify me, Father, why the moon in this reading? Just tell me more about the moon in this reading. It is clarified as manipulation arcane. You already, the manipulation of this person or group of people, you already know. You can perceive. And that's why somebody here is scared. Because there could be a secret is being exposed here, or somebody here is scared because you can perceive their manipulation, or you already knew that they manipulated you. Could also be a group of people. Cancer, Pisces is involved here. They knew that you can perceive the negative energy. That's why somebody is scared, or somebody here having fear to tell you about their secrets because they perceive that you already knew. Because you can perceive the negative energy. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Or they are scared because they are now being exposed. I don't know what they have done on you. Or they are scared because they want to ask how you know our secret. So that you can perceive the manipulation of other people. Especially if the people plan to manipulate you. And that's why they are scared. They are having fear. They perceive that you have secrets. They wants to know your secret. Why you knew my secret. That's why they wants to know. Why the King of Cups in this reading, please? It is clarified as this is portal. Light portal. Somebody is awakened. Could also that they are feeling inspired by you. You are the one who awakened them. This person could be a matured father figure or a person who deeply loves you. A matured father figure or a water sign, not necessarily, could also be any other sign involved in this reading. Why the King of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more about the King of Wands, sir, please. It is clarified as your advisor to honor the day. To honor your day, especially, this is related to your either little or great achievement in your life, little or great achievement in your life. Your advisor to celebrate the milestone of your success and be very thankful and grateful for all your success, the endeavors that you survived, the battles, the chaos which was created with this person or group of people. This is to celebrate the milestone of your success. Or this person is thankful and grateful that they meet you in their lives, that they knew you, that they are enlightened, that they are feeling inspired by you, or you are the one who's awakened them. This person could be an heiress or a person who is strongly attracted on you because you are very passionate and driven. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me, Father. Why the... Oh my gosh. Why the Knight of Wands in this reading? Please clarify me the arrogantness. This person wants to let you, this person wants to offer you a real deal, slowly but surely, because they are admiring your knowledge. Or this could also be the past people, and they couldn't beat you because you are continuing your work. They couldn't beat your wisdom and knowledge, and that's why they forced to let you go. Or this person who falls in love with you, a mature father figure, a person as an authority, said, you let Scorpio go. I am reading with Scorpios on the right path because there is a Scorpio as well involved here who is involved in this mockery. Somebody here is admiring your knowledge and wisdom, and they wants to invest with you. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Remember, there are lots of people who wants to send you a message, especially the people who mock you down in the past because maybe they wants to apologize with you. They wants to say that I'm so sorry, or there are people who wants to invest with you because they have seen your worth, that you are knowledgeable and you have a hidden gift, knowledge. They are only scared how to approach you because for some of these people, guys, they perceive that you can recognize the manipulation, or they are scared that they are being exposed of what they have done on you in the past, and they are awakened, they are enlightened of who you are because the truth come out here. You know why? Because you stand with the truth. That's why the universe advises you to stand with the truth, because you will not be misled, especially if you are with the truth. The truth will always prevail, and you did this. That's why they realize that the truth, your faith is stronger than their illusion. Now they are awakened. This is an exposure after exposure. The moon and the sun is here. I told you. And you awaken them. For some of these people, they are now feeling inspired by you. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, happy holidays, Merry Christmas to all of you. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not fault. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. I love you all. Bye.